If you're into AI tools for content creation, you might have heard of Polybuzz AI. It's marketed as an all-in-one AI assistant for writers, marketers, and small business owners, offering tools for blog posts, social media, ads, and even SEO. Sounds useful, right? And yes, it does offer a decent variety of templates and writing help. But here's the deal. While Polybuzz has some solid features, it doesn't always match the quality of more well-known tools like Jasper or poly.ai. Some users say the output can be hit or miss, especially for longer or more complex content. Also, if you're looking for advanced integrations or team collaboration features, you might find Polybuzz a bit limited. So, should you use it? If you're on a budget and want an AI tool that covers the basics without breaking the bank, yes, give it a shot. But if you're a pro writer or run a content-heavy business, you may want something more powerful. Let me know if you've tried Polybuzz AI, and if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. New reviews drop every week. See you next time.